How to disassemble and reassemble a 92 series Beretta magazine. Like that. No, actually, so we're going to go ahead and go this step by step so that you can see what we did. So here we have a 92 series Beretta magazine. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to look at the base of the magazine. Here you'll see the hole here and the notch in there. We'll use whatever instrument you want. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm pushing this in. It's because it's pushing against the spring. That allows the slide to slide past that point. Keep your thumb over this because, like I said, it's spring loaded. Then you can slowly release it, pull it out, and then finally you turn it over and you can push that down a little bit and this will fall right out. So there you have, it's disassembled. To reassemble it, the easy way to look at this is you're going to want to have the beveled edge here, goes into the wide part here. So we push this here, slide it in, springs. If you look how the spring is shaped, actually the bottom of the spring is shaped the same as the angle here. Slide this in, put your thumb over the top of it, maintain the pressure, push this down. There are two lips here, one on each side. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this over that. It clicks in place. There you have the disassembly and reassembly of a 92 series mag. Now you notice one thing, you see all this dirt on the table. So that leads us to the next video we're going to make. We're going to make a video on how to clean magazines. So check the link in the description. You want to see how to clean these magazines or any other type of magazine that you use for your guns. Check that out. Also check out smartguncleaning.com for all your gun cleaning needs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and smash that like button.